If a cube plus b cube equal to 10 and a plus b equal to 7, then find a inverse plus b inverse. Okay. Now the solution. Okay. We know that a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. This is an identity. Okay, a plus b whole cube. The value of a plus b is 7. And a cube plus b cube equal to 10. The given that a cube plus b cube equal to 10. Now 3ab and a plus b equal to 7. Now 7 cube is 343 minus 10 equal to 7 into 3 21 AB. 333 equal to 21 AB. Now AB equal to 333 divided by 21. Now we can cancel by 3. 1 and here is 7. It means 111 by 7. The value of AB is 111 by 7. Now find the value of A inverse plus B inverse. It means 1 upon A plus 1 upon B. Now take AB LCM. In the numerator we get A plus B. The value of A plus B is 7. Divide by AB value is 111 by 7. Now reciprocate. 7 divided by 111. This value is 49 upon 111. The value of A inverse plus B inverse equal to 49 upon 111. Okay.